morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit, hopped in my car and raced like a jet, said all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question, 'cause I know you're an old-fashioned man, yeah. Said, can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say I never get your blessing till the day that I die. Double my hey, sister, now why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter do what you say. Marry that girl. You raise a family. Why you gotta be so rude? To do this, you leave me no choice. I can't live without her. Love me or hate, baby, we'll be boys. Standing at an altar, I'll be a mile away to another galaxy, you know, 'cause she's in love with me. She will go anywhere, go. Can I have for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say I never get the blessing till the day that I die. So get your blessing till the day that I die. Hey, 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 why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter do what you say. Marry that girl. Raise a family. Why you gotta be so rude? Thank you.